Morning. Hi guys. It's me, your girl, Jamaican farm queen again. Well, today I'm just here. I'm going to do some weeding because I'm planning on putting some melon in this space where I'm at right now. So, I'm just going to do some weeding today and I'm going to see if this evening I can put the melon seeds in the ground. I actually have melons all over already, but I need this area to be strictly melons. Cool? Yes. Well, let me show you guys the sweet pepper bed. I came early this morning and I did some watering. On it. It's really a struggle, guys. It's really a struggle, guys. I really need I need like 2 tanks and I need drip lines. For these sweet peppers. As soon as they come up, I'm going to need that. So I'm actually seeking sponsors to assist me with getting. It's not a problem getting water because the river is over there, but for me to carry the water, it's a lot of work for me to carry the water from the river to come over here, because once these sweet peppers are planted, they're going to be needing the water. So I really need sponsors for that, guys. All right, yeah, that's your guys' pumpkin. Yes, and these are my tomatoes. I came this morning and I watered them also. See, they're getting big. They're getting very big right now. So yes, guys, I am really in need of getting assistance. I don't know. I've contacted RADA, nothing. I don't know. So I don't know if I'll be able to get any assistance pertaining to getting tanks, even drums, so I can set up my drip line system. And I also need a water pump because the river is right over there. So quite a little walk, but for me to come and fetch the water, it's too much. So that will really help me if I could get assistance. Now once the land gets a lot of sunshine, every little thing start come out of the ground. Every little thing they got coming up out the ground. So you just got to prepare to clean. So today I'm just gonna do some weeding, as I said before, and then later on in the evening I'm just gonna plant out my melon seeds in the area. All right, so I'm just gonna continue doing my weeding and then I'll get back to you guys to show you the finishing touch. All right, I'm alone on the farm today. Most of these days I'm alone, but I still continue doing what I'm doing. I try not to give up on what I'm doing. I just keep pushing harder. So I'm just here doing what I can do as much as I can. pumpkin. Okay. I planted a melon right here, you know, already. I planted it like 3 weeks ago. It's coming on good. I planted it right here. I also planted that cane. Along that side going up, I have some more pumpkin. You know, from when me burn the fire there, from Saturday, and the fire still a go on, you know, still a go on over this so. Yeah. To get these roots, I'm going to use the mat up to get up most of these roots.